In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a voucher on Uber Eats. We will walk through adding a promo code to your account and then actually using it on an order so you see the full process from start to finish. First, open Uber Eats on your phone. On both Android and iPhone, the app icon is the same black square with the Uber Eats logo. When it opens, you should land on the main home screen where you see restaurants, search, and some suggested categories. Now tap Account or Profile at the bottom. The exact word can differ, but it is the icon on the bottom row that shows your profile picture or a person shape. When you tap it, the screen switches from restaurant tiles to a simple list with options related to your account. From there, tap Promotions. This takes you to a page that usually has a list of any existing promo codes or vouchers already linked to your account. If you have never added one before, the list might be empty, and that is completely normal. Next up, tap Add Promo or Enter Promo Code. You will usually see this as a button near the top or bottom of the promotion screen. Once you tap it, a small box or a new page appears, ready for you to type in your voucher code. Now enter your voucher code carefully. The codes are often a mix of letters and numbers, and they must match exactly, with no extra spaces at the start or end. A small tip here, if you paste the code, double-check that nothing extra was added so the app can recognize it. After you have typed the code, tap Add Promo or Apply. The label can vary a little, but it will be the main button under the code field. When it works, the screen updates and you should see the voucher appear in your list, often with details like the discount amount and the expiry date. With your voucher saved, choose a restaurant and add your food to the cart. You should be back on the home or search screen now, and you can tap on any restaurant, then tap the dishes you want so they show a quantity and a small cart icon near the top. Once your items are picked, tap View Cart. This opens a summary screen showing every item, the prices, and the delivery details. It is a good moment to confirm quantities and remove anything you do not want before you apply the discount. After that, scroll down and tap Add Promo. This option appears in the cart screen along with payment and delivery information. When you tap it, a panel appears where you can choose from your saved vouchers or type a fresh code. Now select your voucher or enter the code. If you already added it earlier, just tap the voucher from the list and it will highlight or show a check mark. If you are typing it here instead, use the same careful approach as before to avoid typos. Once your voucher is chosen, make sure the discount appears in your order total. Look at the price breakdown in the cart and you should see a promo line showing the amount removed from your subtotal or delivery. Finally, tap Place Order. The app processes the payment and you will see an order confirmation screen with the delivery time and the discounted total locked in. You just learned how to add an Uber Eats voucher and apply it correctly to an order, so if this saved you some money today, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple app tips.